welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about another blood corpuscle or cellular element of blood, that is the blood platelet, which is also known as thrombocyte. Now the word thrombocyte is made up of two words. Thrombo or thrombus means clot and cyte means cell. So the cells which are responsible for the formation of clot are termed as thrombocyte. Now from the image we can make out that these platelets are minute, very small, that means oval or round structure without a nucleus, so they are non-nucleated. There are about 2 lakh to 4 lakh platelets per cubic millimeters in adult blood. The platelets are derived from the large cells called megakaryocytes found in the red bone marrow. The lifespan of a platelet is from 3 to 5 days. They are destroyed in spleen like other blood elements. They are responsible for the clotting of blood by releasing a substance called thrombokinase, which is also known as thromboplastin. Now after this we are going to look into the mechanism of blood clotting or blood coagulation. The injured tissue along with the platelets release a substance called thromboplastin or thrombokinase, which in the presence of calcium ions converts the inactive prothrombin into active thrombin, which acts on the fibrinogen, which is soluble and is present in the plasma into insoluble fibrin. Now this insoluble fibrin forms a fine mesh over the injured area in which the blood cells such as the RBCs and the WBCs gets entrapped and therefore forms a clot. Now this blood clot is responsible for preventing the further loss of blood and therefore preventing from the hemorrhage. After this we are going to learn about blood transfusion. In blood transfusion we see that there are 4 kinds of blood type: blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB and blood group O. The blood group A can donate blood to blood group A and AB and can receive blood from blood group A and blood group O. The blood type B can donate the blood to blood type B and AB, whereas can receive blood from blood group B and blood group O. The blood group AB can donate blood only to blood group AB but can receive blood from all the types of blood groups. Therefore, it is termed as universal recipient. Blood group O can donate blood to all the blood groups. Therefore, it is termed as universal donor, but can receive blood only from blood group O. After that, we are going to study about the RH system. The RH factor was first discovered in a monkey called rhesus, therefore it was named after that. The people with this factor are termed as RH positive and the people without this factor are termed as RH negative. Now what is RH factor? RH factor is an RH antigen which is present on the surface of RBCs. So this is an RBC and over its surface there are several antigens, that is the RH antigens present. Now let us look how this RH system works in the case of blood transfusion. During a blood transfusion, there is a donor and a recipient. The donor gives the blood and the recipient receives the blood. If the blood of the donor is RH negative and the recipient is also RH negative, then there is no problem in blood transfusion. If the donor is RH positive and the recipient is also RH positive, in that case again there is no problem in blood transfusion. But if the donor is RH positive and the recipient is RH negative, then during first blood transfusion there is no problem, but the antibodies against this antigen develop during the first blood transfusion. And if again the second time the blood is transfused from a donor which is Rh positive into the same recipient, then in that case there will be clumping or coagulation. Therefore, an Rh positive can receive blood from both Rh positive and Rh negative donor, but the Rh negative can receive blood only from Rh negative. Now, this Rh factor during pregnancy, how this works? There is a mother and there is a fetus. If the mother is Rh negative and the fetus is also Rh negative, then there is no problem. If the mother is Rh positive and the fetus is also Rh positive, in that case also there is no problem. If the mother is Rh positive and the fetus is Rh negative, then again there is no problem. If the mother is Rh negative and the fetus is Rh positive, then during first pregnancy there is no problem. But the antibodies against this antigen develop in the blood of the mother. And during the second pregnancy, if such a mother conceives soon after the first child, in that case there is interaction of antigen that is present in the blood of the fetus with the antibodies present in the blood of the mother, that may lead to the coagulation or destruction of blood, that may lead to the death of the fetus due to hemolytic jaundice. So, with this we are ending up our discussion. Hope you are enjoying my lectures. Do like and subscribe my channel and do hit the notification button to get the latest update of the video uploaded. Thank you.